got your existing panel here. You're going to install an angle bracket modification kit. Comes with the bolt that's extra long and the backer card, which acts as a fender washer. If your top of your head of your tank is on, you'll have a drip edge like this with an angle bracket existing in here. What you're going to do is you're going to open up the bolt off of your angle bracket, line it up to be in line with your corresponding bracket. It should be approximately 2 inches down. You're going to mark your hole. You'll then take a drill bit, drill right through. You're going to go through the layer of polyurea, the core of foam, and the back layer of polyurea. You will then insert the backer card from the back side. Now your backer card is in the back with your bolt protruding through. You'll put your angle bracket with the tapered edge onto the tank, washer, and a nut. You'll then tighten it up. You have an existing modification. Drill your hole up through to match up to the existing bracket, bolt them together.